In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Adobe After Effects preferences to default. If After Effects starts acting strangely, maybe your interface looks off, your previews stutter after an update, or it crashes on launch, resetting preferences is a quick way to get back to a clean, stable state. This won't touch your project files or footage, but it will roll back customized settings like workspaces, preview behavior, and some performance tweaks. First, here's the fastest way to reset. Make sure After Effects is fully closed, then relaunch it while holding a modifier key combo. On Windows, hold Control, Alt, and Shift. On Mac OS, hold Command, Option, and Shift. Keep those keys pressed as the app starts. You'll see a dialog asking if you want to delete your preferences file. Click OK. After Effects will reopen with factory defaults. Expect your layout to return to the standard workspace and many settings to be back at their original values. That's normal, and it's often enough to clear out corrupt or conflicting preferences. Your plugins and scripts remain installed, though some may need to rebuild small caches on next use. If the app won't launch or you prefer a hands-on approach, you can reset preferences by going directly to the Preferences folder instead. Again, quit After Effects first, then navigate to the After Effects Preferences location on your system. On Windows, look under your user app data in the Adobe After Effects folder for your version number. On macOS, check your user library, then Preferences, then Adobe, and find the After Effects folder that matches your version. Inside, you'll see the files the application reads on startup. To create a safety net, rename that version Preferences folder. Adding something like Backup to the end is fine. Renaming preserves your old settings in case you want them later. If you're certain you want a full reset, you can delete the folder instead. When you launch After Effects next time, it will automatically generate a fresh set of default preferences. A couple of tips before you finish up. If you rely on custom workspaces or keyboard shortcuts, consider exporting or noting them in the future so you can reapply them quickly after a reset. And remember, resetting preferences doesn't clear your disk cache or media cache. Those live elsewhere, so your large cache files will remain intact unless you clear them from within the app later. That's it. Use the keyboard shortcut method for a quick reset, or the folder method if you need manual control. Relaunch, confirm everything feels stable, and you're ready to get back to work.